Number 2, I don't know technology stuff. I can't do this. If you're worried about not being tech savvy enough, I want you to take a deep breath. You are fine. This is a common fear, but one that's entirely manageable and often overblown. First, let's put this in perspective. You've already mastered more technology than you give yourself credit for. You're probably watching this video on a smartphone or a computer. You've figured out how to use email. Maybe you're on social media and you've navigated online banking or shopping. That's all technology, and you're already using it successfully. The truth is, you don't need to become a programmer or a tech genius to run a successful online business. What you need is to become comfortable with the specific tools that will help your business thrive. And here's the beautiful thing about today's technology. It's designed to be user-friendly. Most modern business tools are created with the understanding that the users aren't tech experts. They're designed with intuitive interfaces, helpful tutorials, and customer support teams ready to help. Companies like Shopify, Canva, and MailChimp have built their entire business models around making complex technology simple for everyday people to use. Today, there are countless resources and tools designed to make technology accessible for everyone, regardless of age. From online courses specifically designed for mature learners to user-friendly apps with step-by-step guidance, you can learn at your own pace and comfort level. YouTube University is real. There are thousands of free tutorials that break down every business tool you might need. Many software companies offer free webinars and training sessions. Online platforms like Coursera and Udemy have courses specifically designed for people who are starting their journey later in life. And guess what? It's absolutely okay to ask for help. In fact, it's smart business. Successful entrepreneurs know when to delegate and when to invest in support. You can hire virtual assistants for technical tasks, work with consultants for setup, or join communities where members help each other. The key is to start with the basics and build your confidence gradually. You don't need to learn everything at once. Pick a tool, master it, then move on to the next. Celebrate small victories along the way. Here at NextPhaze Academy, we focus on no tech overwhelm and no geek speak. Instead, we provide simple technical guidance for everyone. We believe that breaking down complicated technology into easy to understand steps means you can overcome any tech hurdle without feeling frustrated or left behind. I have spent a large part of my career teaching others how to work with technology. It's often confusing and sometimes intimidating. I mean, really, it's like learning a new language. No one would expect to learn to speak another language in one day, and you shouldn't expect to master technology in one day either. Now, that doesn't mean it has to be hard. We break any tech tools down to simple step-by-step instructions with printable guides that will make this part of your journey easy. There is no tech overwhelm here. We simplify it all so that you can sail through like a pro.